Manipur ki puwari ka sagonariba Shillong da Leiba Manipuri Rajbari Thugaikhibagi Thoudokpu Lok Sabha ki MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol akoizamna akan mamong da Yaningdaba Phongdokhre Imphal ki basi khong panthoibi youth club ta chatpa MP ki khongsat amagi khudong chaba lauraduna pawmi sing na hiramasi ki matangda hangkiba wahangi pakhum piraduna MP na hai heritage site oina leidiba yokhatuna thamgadaba puwari ga sagonariba Rajbari bu thugai bahaiba se Manipur ki puwari manghanana ba hotnabane Mafam asida kumja English amaga chamapan ni fumapan gi September kunma thoida Manipur na India da tilhannaba merger agreement khujek pinakibane thawong asimak Manipur gi puwari gi saruk khara matam chupagi manghan khinanaba hotnarakpani haina lawi thawong asibu chathakiba miyoi sing aikhoi punna thidok pinasi amadi hairiba mafam asi national heritage site amagum nauna semgat laga thamnanaba hotnaminase thawong asimak Manipur gi dignity amasung history da atamnana singnabani amadi British ki post-colonial irada Leiba Manipur ge mingchat adu manghanana ba hotnabane kanana Rajbari asibu thugaina ba order pi khibano haiba adu khangdokna ba mari leina ba authority da se iragane loinana haiba mafam ase kumja English ngani ga kunma thoida Meghalaya leingak na Manipur leingak ta sinarakibani haina MP na makha takhe
It's very sad, I've just come to know. That place people will always remember because that is the place where the Maharaja signed the merger agreement on 21st September 1949. It is his Red Land residence. That should have been protected under appropriate laws, such as related to heritage, and groom it into a tourist spot. That destruction is shocking to me, actually. It is as if somebody is trying to obliterate certain historical moment to remove any evidence of certain aspects of our history. That's very sad. We must find it out who ordered the demolition of that place. Instead of preserving it and renovating it and preserving it as a heritage site, I take it as a direct assault on the dignity and history of Manipur as an entity, as a people. They should rebuild it in the same model and preserve it and develop it as a historical site for the rest of the country as well. This is not only about Manipur. That part of history is also a history of the formation of the post-colonial Indian state. So that is related not only to the history of the state, but also the history of India as such, and how India came into being in 1947 as a post-colonial state.